How to add or remove the book widget in standby mode on the iPhone 16 series. Now make sure your phone is already in standby mode. Then on the in standby, you want to swipe across to go to your widget screen. So here we got your photo screen, and this is the widget screen. On the widget screen, you have the left widget and the right widget. So you can modify the left or the right. In this video, we're going to modify the left widget. So touch and hold on that. And in here, to remove the book widget, you tap on the remove button, then tap on remove. To add in the book widget, you tap on the add button here. And from the left hand side selection, tap on books, then tap on add widget. And here we have now added in the books widget to standby mode. Then tap on the done button to save the changes. And that's it. If you have books in your library, it will show up in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.